As a user of ERP software, you and your organization are success factor number one, as well as fail factor number one. Sorry to disappoint you. My name is Guus Krabbenborg. I'm from the Netherlands, and on October 23rd, I will deliver a keynote presentation at the customer event of Sci-Net. In my presentation, I will talk about your part of the job. I will talk about the transformational part of your digital transformation process. First and foremost, we'll talk about the name of your project. Many project names are not really creative, like ERP 2.0, ERP Cloud, or just the name of the product. But I think the name is an important part of your communication. So we will talk about effective and non-effective names. Next to that, we're going to talk about the goals. What do you want to achieve in your project? And no, ladies and gentlemen, staying in time and budget is not a goal. Of course, I understand that it's important to stay in time, in the right time frame and the right budget, but it's not a goal. Ideally, the goal is something where you connect your project with your strategic goals of your company. And the way you pronounce that is simple, clear, and easy to repeat. In an ideal situation, every member of your team should be able, back home at a kitchen table, to talk to friends and family and tell them what it is you want to achieve and why you do this. So it should be simple and candid. Next to that, we're going to talk about how you use the software. Are you going to customize it? A lot. Are you sure? Or are there ways to help you to prevent over customizations, which in the long term is good for you and your customers? We'll also talk about the silos in your organization. You know, these invisible walls, you don't see them, I don't see them, but they are between the departments and it makes life of your customers less easy. So what could you do, what should you do, in my opinion, to demolish those walls so that you act as one organization and it's going to be easier to do business with for your customers? Well, there's a lot more. I only have 1 hour, so I will speak very fast. There's a lot more. One thing to mention now is it is super important from the management that you are the example of the change that you want to see. So we will talk about what exemplary behavior looks like and what it does not look like. So I think all in all, it's going to be a very interesting keynote, which can help a lot. And I've said it before, if you pay attention, if you follow the instructions and you do everything that I advise you, I'm pretty sure your chance for successful projects will increase with at least 30%. So hope to see you there, October 23, Microsoft Teams Valley Park in Reading. Bye.